Good day, everyone. This is Teacher JD, your TLE9 Cookery teacher. For our fourth quarter, week 3, we're going to talk about desserts with the lesson title, Prepare Desserts. For the most essential learning competency, that would be select and prepare sweet sauces. Specifically, we're going to talk about dessert sauces. What is a dessert sauce? So dessert sauce adds flavor, moisture, texture, and color to desserts. May be cooked or uncooked and is sometimes prepared as a hard sauce with the addition of alcoholic beverages. So it can be drizzled or poured atop various desserts and is also used for plate decoration. So dessert sauce is used in various manners to add flavor and enhance the visual presentation of our desserts. So what are the different examples of dessert sauce? We have the caramel sauce, custard, chocolate sauce, dulce de leche, fruit sauces like blueberry sauce, raspberry sauce, and strawberry sauce. Again, sauce, that is a flavored liquid blend of ingredients that adds flavor and enhances the appearance of the food. On the other hand, fudge, a soft confection made of butter, sugar, chocolate. So the big difference between fudge and sauce is the texture itself. So fudge tends to be thicker and more indulgent, while sauce is noticeably thinner. So sauces can give an entirely different appearance, flavor, color, and moisture to our desserts. So we have first, rich sauce that is well suited to simple dessert. Second one, we have here the light sauce, wherein it is suited to our rich dessert. Third, we have the hot fudge. So that is a delightful contrast to a cold cornstarch pudding or to vanilla ice cream. And then hot sauces, they are made just before they are to be used. And lastly, cold sauces are cooked ahead of time, cold, covered, and put into the refrigerator to chill. Let's proceed to the thickening agents used to improve the quality of our dessert sauces. So we have starch, cream, eggs, rice, flour, we have grains and cornstarch. So why are thickening agents or thickeners important in our sauces? So thickeners are agents used to add body to our dishes like pie fillings, gravies, sauces, soups, and pudding. So typically, they are in a powder form. So yung starches are popular thickeners because they thicken without impacting the fat content or affecting the flavor of our desserts if properly used. And aside from that, thickening agents increases the viscosity of a liquid mixed without interfering with its other properties. So knowing how to thicken food is essential for preparing many recipes. Most sauces, gravies, soups, and even desserts are thickened with some kind of starch. So let's talk about custard sauces. So custard sauce is a type of sauce made from milk and eggs, usually sugar and sometimes vanilla or other flavorings, and thickened by means of heat, served hot, poured over desserts as a filling for some pies and cakes, or cold and solidified. So vanilla custard sauce, chocolate, or other flavor may be added to create varieties of custard sauces. So here's the example of custard sauce. Next, fruit puree. So fruit puree, these are simply purees of fresh or cooked fruits sweetened with sugar. And then this type of dessert sauce is, of course, from the name itself, made from fruits that has been cooked, ground, pressed, blended, or sieved until it reaches the consistency of a creamy paste or liquid. So other flavorings and spices are sometimes added when you create your own fruit puree. So these are the examples of different fruit purees. Next, syrup. So that is a type of dessert sauce, which is a liquid sugar that is used for flavoring both prior to the preparation of the food as well as after when the food is served. So baked goods will have syrups added as an ingredient to sweeten the baked item, while other foods may use syrup as topping, such as French toast, waffles, or pancakes. So the traditional dessert syrup is 1 part water to 1 part sugar by weight. And then thinner syrup such as those used as glazes are made with 2 parts naman of water. So syrup includes such products like chocolate and caramel sauce. So these are the examples of syrup. And then on the third picture, that is an example of cheesecake drizzled by chocolate syrup. And lastly, let's talk about the storage of your sauces. So sauces should be kept in airtight containers and stored in a cool, dry place away from moisture, oxygen, light, and pests. So food made with starches that contain egg, milk, cream, and other dairy products are prone to bacterial contamination and to foodborne illness. Thus, sauces made with these ingredients should be kept out of the temperature danger zone. So thickened sauce should also be prepared, served, and stored with caution. Always remember that. And then these products should be stored in the refrigerator and never left to stand at room temperature for too long. So do you have any questions regarding the topic? If not, let's proceed with the learning task. So for your learning task 1, you classify the following into categories of dessert sauces. So write CS if it is custard sauce, FP if it is fruit puree, and S if it is syrup. For your learning task 2, sequencing, you arrange the procedure in preparing your strawberry sauce. So write A for step 1, B for step 2, C for step 3, and so on down to the last step. Next, learning task 3, you fill in the blanks to complete the statement. So read carefully before you answer this. And then lastly, learning task 4, modified true or false. Write true if the statement is correct. If not, you change the underlined words to make the statement correct. So again, read carefully before you answer this. And also, don't forget to sum up what you've learned for this topic. So write down your reflection on what you understand, what you realize, and what you need to learn more about. So before I end this, let me leave this quote: a balanced diet is having a cupcake in each hand. See you on our next presentation. Thanks for your time and attention.